Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is rotational symmetry of a square possesses rotational symmetry of order, whether it is 1, 2, 3 or 4. As order of rotational symmetry of regular polygon is equal to the number of sides, as order of rotational symmetry of a regular polygon is equal to number of sides we know that square is a regular polygon. Consider a square and it has 4 lines of symmetry and 4 sides. So square possesses rotational symmetry of order 4. Here there are 4 lines of symmetry for square, which cuts this square exactly into half. We know that square is a regular polygon hence square has 4 lines of symmetry and has 4 sides so square has rotational symmetry of order 4. Of order 4. That is, our answer is 4, which is option D.